Today I will show how to configure a network for your AutoFlex Connect. I am logged in and on the home page. Then I will go to the menu in the top left-hand corner and click on Administration. From here we will go into Diagnostics and then Network Settings. We will need to wait a moment while it looks for our Wi-Fi networks. And here, so if you're not seeing anything on this page, it's probably because this internet-enabled checkbox is not checked. So when that is checked, then all of our internet options come up. If we are using Ethernet, then there's a lot less options. We don't need to enter in all of our Wi-Fi name and password and all of that. But if we are using Wi-Fi, then there's a few options here. We can select Wi-Fi hidden to hide the list of Wi-Fi networks that are available. Here, if I click on it, you can see all of the different Wi-Fi networks that are available. And then as well, here we would enter in our password for the Wi-Fi network. If it is an open Wi-Fi with no password, then I would just select this open Wi-Fi check mark. This one has a password, so I will leave it unchecked. The static IP option gives you an option to either have a dynamic IP, one that's automatically assigned, or have a static IP and enter in the information yourself. So if we turn that on, then we get all these other options here on the right. So you can enter in the information that you want to need in there if you desire to go the static IP route. For right now, I'm just going to keep it on a dynamic. Once you have entered in all of your information and configured it how you want it to be, then you just need to click Save. It'll take a few moments to configure the network. And the network configuration is complete. And you should see if you have a good network connection, you'll have 3 green bars up here in the top right-hand corner. If it's not a very good connection, it'll be a couple of yellow bars. And if internet is totally disabled, it would just be grayed out with a red X in it. And that is how you configure your network settings for the AutoFlex Connect.